Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to create TalkBack shortcut, the floating button, the shortcut, the button press shortcut, how to create it, how to delete it. So settings first, then accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, then vision tab at the top, then TalkBack. And here we have our TalkBack switch and the TalkBack shortcut switch. So when we enable it first time, we have this pop-up window, yes, allow, and here we have first choice. We can have the accessibility floating button, or we can have our button shortcut. So we have button visible here. We can turn it off using the switch right here. Of course, if we have one option enabled, we can then tap the shortcut option and then choose pretty much whatever we want from there. And that's all. Goodbye.